Hi guys, this is Arjita. Welcome to this fun card today, and for that I have used the Memento ink pads and two of these Versafine Clair ink pads. I'm going to do layer stamping today, and for that I'll be mixing these two different kind of inks. So this technique really helps if you do not have a certain color which you need for your layered stamping. You can just pick up various kinds of inks and mix them together. So this card is all about stamping, and the Memento colors are absolutely beautiful and solid. So I'll list all the various inks I've used today, and you can definitely build your collection. For the second layer, I'm going to stamp and then just remove the excess ink once, and then I'm going to place my layer stamp on top. For the third and the final layer, I'm not going to remove any ink, and that will give me three various shades which I need for this flamingo. So now third layer, which is going to be the most detailed one, you can see that I'll pick the ink directly from the ink pad and go ahead. So basically the second and the last layer in this flamingo comes from one ink pad, the rosebud ink pad, and I get two different shades. So this is a second generation stamping, and this is a very interesting technique if you have only few ink pads and you want to have different tonal values of your ink. So now to finish this flamingo, I am using the most beautiful ink, a black ink, which is the Versafine Clair black ink. I love this. So now we begin the main card panel, and for that I have used my favorite green, which is the pear tart from Memento. So I'll stop speaking here. You can see the card is very simple and fun. You can see how I finish it, and once it's done, I'll get back. Once all the colored stamping was done, I finished the card with a black sentiment and I adhered the flamingo on top. I hope you enjoyed this card, and if you did, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye bye. Take care.